Hi my friends, so today I wanted to talk about focusing too much on healing and how that can get us stuck, living in those same patterns that we've carried on, mostly from childhood. So when we are focused so much on healing and we go into this needing to heal, we need to heal, we're in these programs, we're doing the things that they tell us to do, we're learning all these other things that we found on YouTube. What happens is that a lot of times can just replace the fixing, the striving patterns that we had while we were sick. And even before that, these patterns are patterns we've carried on our whole lives, you guys. So it's really important in your healing journey, and this happened to me, so I am speaking from experience. I was at a point focused so much on healing. My whole day, it's like I was spending all this time, because inside at the root was, I'm not okay, and I need to fix this thing. I need to fix myself. And honestly, really, when I stopped focusing so much on healing, and I would say this was like after a year and a few months in, that I started having fun and seeking joy and letting go and playing, did my healing really expedite. So I encourage you guys to maybe look at your journey and say, okay, is my whole day just healing, focusing on fixing, looking at this video, that video? Am I in the program all the time? Am I in a community where there's talking about healing all day long, guys? We can just be replacing these chronic illnesses and any chronic illness Facebook group that you're in before, but now in the healing community groups, and I get it. I was there. We want community so bad. A lot of us were so isolated, and I empathize with you so much. But there comes a point where we need to draw the line and say enough is enough. And make the decision for ourselves that, hey, I'm gonna cut this down a little bit or even half. And you'll notice as you do, and as you start to find and cultivate joy and community on your own, when you're able to, that your healing really progresses. So there is a time and a place where we do focus a lot on healing. That's earlier on. But if you're stuck, I highly just encourage you to look and see, where am I finding joy? Where am I actually stepping out and living life? Where am I just maybe having a little courage to, step out in life and get out of this cycle that I'm in? So, just wanted to share, guys, and I hope it helps. Have a great day.